Meet Alex. He's ambitious, works hard, but feels stuck. He sees others succeeding and wonders, why not me? But here's the truth. Everyone struggles with self-doubt. Even the most successful people felt lost at some point. Lesson 1. No one has all the answers. Just start. Alex, hard work isn't enough, Sarah says. Opportunities don't just happen, you have to create them. Alex realizes that waiting for luck is useless. He has to take action. Lesson 2. Stop waiting. Take action. He panics, I have never done this before. But instead of saying no, he remembers. Say yes. Figure it out later. Lesson 3. Growth comes from discomfort. He starts building his personal brand, writing articles, making connections, and sharing his work. Lesson 4. You're your own brand. Invest in it. He understands that talent isn't everything. Relationships matter. Lesson 5. Success isn't just skill, it's how you treat people. For weeks, he feels like a failure. But then he realizes. Failure is just feedback. Lesson 6. The most successful people are the ones who never quit. He starts questioning, what am I really working for? Lesson 7. Set boundaries. Your life matters too. He realizes the truth. Mindset is everything. Final key takeaways: stop overthinking. Just start. Build your own opportunities. Treat people well. Never stop learning. Take risks, embrace failure, and keep moving. If this story inspired you, like, subscribe, and share this video. Your journey starts now.